Alright fam, One UI 8 is finally here and it's time to get rid of that cursed number 7 from Samsung once and for all. Now some of you asked me after the One UI 7 video if flashing wipes your phone. The truth is, it depends on you and I'll show you exactly how in this video. Plus, for everyone who struggled with getting monthly updates after flashing, you're covered too. I've dropped a link in the description where you can grab the right firmware for your device. And if your model isn't listed here, drop a comment and I'll add it ASAP. No more wasting time, let's flash One UI 8 together. So the first step, you have to put your phone in download mode. And how do you do this? You power off the device, hold volume up plus volume down all together, and then plug the USB cable that is already connected to your PC. On the warning screen, press volume up to confirm. Boom, you're now in download mode. Step 2, load the firmware files into Odin. In Odin, click each button and load the matching file. For BL, select the file starting with BL and drag it there. For AP, select the file starting with AP. This one is the largest, so it will take a while. While you wait for the AP to finish loading, this is the perfect time to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps a lot and keeps me motivated to bring you more tutorials like this. We go to CP, select the file starting with CP and drag it there. For CSC, here is the big choice. Use home_CSC if you want to keep your data. Use CSC if you want a full wipe and clean install. Now step 3, double check your setup. In Odin, make sure auto reboot and f.reset time are checked. Don't touch anything else, especially not repetition. A quick check here saves you from headaches later. And step 4, start flashing. Click start in Odin, sit back and relax. The process will take a few minutes. No matter what happens, don't disconnect the cable. Just let it do its thing. And step 5, wait for pass. Once Odin says pass in green, congrats, you did it. Your phone will reboot automatically in One UI 8. Welcome to the future. One UI 8 is officially running on your device. And that's how you flash One UI 8. Simple, safe, and straight. If you like this guide, don't hesitate. Hit subscribe before it's too late. Tech tips with a twist. That's the Tech Shakalaka Fate. See you in the next one, where tech and rhyme innovate.